Unit 4. Skills. Long listening. You will hear a meeting between colleagues Jonathan, Alejandra and Karim. For each question, choose the correct answer, A, B or C.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for coming to the meeting today. As you know, we need to look at ways of improving efficiency within our organization. I'd like to stick to the agenda as we've only got limited time today.
Jonathan, I think we need to talk about staffing problems first.
That's outside the scope of the meeting today, Alejandra. We've got a meeting specifically about that next week. Yes, Karim?
Actually, I agree with Alejandra. I think we should look at staff first.
But that's not the subject of today's meeting.
But many employees are unhappy and not working productively. To improve efficiency, we need to find out why.
I can tell you why. It's because the ordering and distribution systems keep breaking down. Staff are frustrated because we haven't invested in better technology.
We can't expect to compete in the market without the best technology there is. Our competitors have eaten into the market lead we once had.
Can I stop you for a second, Karim? Are you saying that the lack of efficiency is totally due to the technology we use?
Mainly, yes.
Sorry, can I add something here? As production manager, I can confirm that we've got the most sophisticated machinery in our factory, producing cutting-edge products, but the rest of our systems are outdated. Just look at the ordering and distribution systems. They keep breaking down and customers aren't getting their orders on time or they're getting the wrong goods. Consequently, they're changing supplier.
So, it's the ordering and distribution system that needs dealing with, not the staff?
Partly. But we need to keep staff happy. So I think the best way to do that is to have a meeting with everyone to see if they have any ideas and then decide how to solve the issues with orders.
We don't need to involve the staff in this. Once we sort out the technology, everything should be fine.
I don't agree, Jonathan. Employees feel much happier if they're involved in big decisions.
I'll consider it if you really feel it would help.
I think it would be a good start. Several experienced staff are considering leaving. They have mentioned these problems for months and they feel nobody is listening to them.
Okay then. We'll meet with staff as soon as possible, and meanwhile, we'll investigate the options for updating all our systems for order processing and distribution. Now I'd like to see if we can come up with any other ways to improve efficiency.
I'd like to suggest that we look at the workflow in our main offices. It seems to me that we're wasting an awful lot of time and energy doing things twice.
How do you mean?
Well, for some reason, each department seems to print out and file hard copies of everything in addition to creating shared electronic files. I don't know why this is.
I think you'll find it's because our computer systems have broken down so many times that staff feel it's necessary to keep hard copies in case it happens again. At least then they have a chance of keeping things moving.
I can see Alejandra's point, and it all comes back to the systems.
Okay. Well, I think we've identified a key problem. Thanks, everyone. I'll pass this information on to senior management.
Sorry, Jonathan, but I don't think we've finished. I'd like to talk about the security system. Our bags are checked every time we enter the building, even if we've only been out for a 10-minute break. It wastes too much time.
You know we have to do that.
But every time we go outside for a bit of fresh air?
Okay, I hear what you're saying. We'll arrange another meeting to discuss that.